All right, guys, here we are, update number 3 for Norseman Beard Products and Year of the Beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you've come to the right place. Take the first step, click that subscribe button right down there. All right, so today is update number 3 for Norseman Beard Products and Year of the Beard. So what is Year of the Beard? I say it in every video, but 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own month and their products only going in this beard. Today is update number 3 for Norseman. All right, so you're wondering why I'm holding this hammer. Well, the first scent that we're gonna talk about is Mjolnir. That is Thor's hammer in mythology. So that's what we're gonna talk about first. So the ingredients, we've got oil, butter, and a balm with this scent. So ingredients on the oil, we'll start with that. 100% organic cold pressed sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil. Same ingredients on all Terry's oils. Awesome stuff. So butter, we'll talk about the butter. The ingredients on the butter: 100% natural organic shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, arrowroot, and beeswax. Ingredients on the balm: 100% natural organic shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil. All right, so the scent profile on Mjolnir is, get it turned around the right way, African musk, sweet tobacco, and sweet orange. That's the scent profile on this. So let's go with the oil first, get a little shake. Again, the oils come in the blue, cobalt blue bottle. Kind of a yellow color. Thick oil. This is a thick oil. Out of bottle, I get that musk. I get a touch of tobacco and a little bit on the back end of that orange. It's a really good mix. I said one of the other ones was subtle. This is another subtle scent. It smells so good. Scent duration, it varied according to what products I used, but it was an easy 6 hours on this. Smelled so good, and I don't know, I'm getting to where I like those subtle scents just because they're not quite as strong. All right, so the balm, or the butter, I mean. You see the butter, it is just that creamy. Look at that. It just melts. Don't need to waste any of this. So the butter is absolutely amazing. So I've mixed up, I've said it in the other videos, other updates, I've mixed up my nighttime routine. This oil is so thick, I'll put just the oil in at night and I'll be good to go. The next morning, it's just silky smooth. When I throw in this butter, oh man, it is so soft and so smooth, not a problem to get a comb through. Now the balm. Now when Terry was getting his package ready to send to me, he asked me, he's like, do you even wear balms anymore? I was like, not much, but I want to test it for you viewers who do wear balms and give you a little bit of information on it. So this is the only balm that he sent me. We'll get into this. And it is a kind of a white, off-white color. And you can see I've dug into this. So consistency, you got to dig in there. You got to dig. So we'll get a little bit here. So we got about a fingernail portion. Not much. But this is what I would classify as a medium to firm on the hold. Get close to the mic and not the camera. You can see that tack. You can hear it. So this is amazing. Even with my beard this length, using this balm helped to kind of tame it and hold it down, it did really well. So I really, really like Terry's balms. So if you wear a balm, you can check this out, especially if you like those medium to firm. And all it does, I'm not greasy. Now, I do have a little bit of residue on my hand because I actually already had some balm in. So normally in this situation, I would wipe it on my arms, and then I would wipe it on my hand towel in my bathroom. But it's not greasy. It doesn't leave a residue. It just leaves your hands feeling soft and moisturized. So Mjolnir, this is a great scent. The balm, the butter, and the oil all smell exactly the same. And it's just a good scent. It really is. It's nothing crazy. It's that African musk, sweet tobacco, and sweet orange, and just a perfect subtle blend. It just smells so good. So if you like those subtle kind of musk, you almost get, I guess, when you mix these together, it's almost cologne-ish, but it smells really good. All right, so the other scent that I've been using this week is Frigg's Brew. Now, if you missed the unboxing, I'll put a card up top. If you missed the unboxing, when I open this, it is coffee, vanilla, and cinnamon. Same ingredients as Mjolnir, same ingredients as all the oils that Terry has. Now, he only sent me this in the oil, so let's get a shake. And it's the same yellow, same consistency on that thicker oil because of that castor oil. And then the scent, that is coffee with a touch of vanilla. Now, where this one gets unique, ingredient or scent profile, coffee, vanilla, and cinnamon. I don't get cinnamon in bottle, but when I warm this up and I put it in beer, I get that cinnamon. And it is just a perfect mix. The first day I put this in, I walked past my wife and she was like, "Stop, come here." And she smelled my beard. She was like, "What do you have in?" And I told her, this reminded her of some store that me and her went to, I don't even know how many years ago, 6, 7 years ago. This scent reminded her of that store. But it is so good. It smells better when you warm it up. I'm not gonna warm it up because I already have balm on my hands. But when you warm this up, you get that cinnamon. And it's not so much cinnamon that it's overpowering, but it's just enough cinnamon that you get that smell, that scent. And it smells so good. It smells like a coffee shop with cinnamon that's doing something with cinnamon. It just smells really, really good. So if you like that kind of that scent profile, I'm telling you, you need to check out Frigg's Brew. I will have links to all of that in the description below. You can get over to Terry's website, check it out. Don't forget the promo code YOTB25 to save you 25% for the month of March. Do not forget that promo code because it will save you some money. I don't get any kickback from it. I'm not an affiliate with Norseman. I'm just telling you, he was generous enough to give us that promo code for Year of the Beard. So utilize it and get over there and save a little bit of money. Like I said in the last video, that's pretty much stealing it from him, 25% off. So definitely get over and check it out. Now we have one more update video coming next week, and then we're gonna have our finale. So we have 2 more Norseman videos coming out. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the thumbs up on this video, and make sure to turn on your notifications when you hit the subscribe button so you will be notified when I drop new content. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.